Right guys, I'm back. Excuse my voice, I'm just feeling a little bit under the weather, so hopefully that'll go in a couple of days. We're looking at today TicWatch Pro, little unboxing and first impression / review. I've been using it for about a week now, so I'm just going to give you my first impressions. The box, I did cheat a little bit. I did say unboxing, however I have already opened it, so as you will see, the watch is not in the box, but unboxing is like an unboxing for this one. Just come with a book, and it came with the charging cradle, and of course the watch. Right, let's put everything else away and we'll just look at the watch. Sorry about the lighting. The new lighting set has been ordered, so next couple of videos will hopefully have a lot better lighting. Well, put that to the side. So this is TicWatch Pro. Obviously this is only one of many different faces you can choose. Pretty good. One thing that surprised me is the watch is actually quite fluid. Hasn't, since I've been using it, hasn't lagged or glitched out or anything. Very fluid in the way it works. In terms of the specs, I'm going to put them somewhere on the screen, maybe here or here. The basic size, got a Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 2100. It's got heart rate and GPS tracking. It's got two displays, so as you can see, it's got your normal OLED display, and then it's got its essential mode FSTN display. Because it's got these two displays, the battery life varies from 2 to 30 days. So if it's on the essential display, it can last a very long time, as it doesn't use a lot of battery. It's IP68 certified, but I still wouldn't recommend anybody go swimming with it or anything like that. It's more of a precaution, something just have your reassurance, if anything. It's got a 1.39 inch display, 400 by 400, and it's also got NFC that you can do Google Pay with, which is pretty good. One thing I've liked about this watch is the design. I like the way it looks. I like the fact that it has these latches on the what's it called, on the well, I've just gone really blank at the minute. The strap, that's it, yeah. It's got these latches on the straps, which are almost like, they are kind of universal, because there's a lot of different kind of straps that use these same latches. You just got to get the right size. Another good thing about the watch is the price. It is very competitive when it comes to price. I think when I bought this one, it was about 160 Great British pounds, and when I looked on the US website, it was about $200, which compared to other smartwatches, it is right around that price mark. Before this one, I did have the Samsung Galaxy S3, which it was alright. I didn't like it too much. I think it was more of the Tizen software that really put me off. I prefer the Google Wear OS to the Tizen one. But yeah, that's just me. One thing I don't like is majority of smartwatches now they've got wireless charging, but TicWatch have their own kind of proprietary method of charging, which is these pins, and you have to connect it to that there, and that's how it charges. It's not a big deal, but I just wish they would have gone to normal wireless charging. Would have made things a lot easier. But yeah, I've been using it for the past couple of days. One thing I do like is when you get messages, if they've included photos, the photos will come up on the screen, so that's a good thing. It really surprised me, because when I had the Samsung, that didn't happen. Being able to reply to WhatsApp messages and everything from my phone straight away, from the watch should I say, straight away, is been a good benefit. And yeah, if anyone wants to buy this watch, I'll put links in the description below for the UK and US Amazon page. But yeah, I would highly recommend it if you're looking to get a smartwatch. I believe it works with iOS as well. I know it definitely works with Android, but I'm kind of sure it works with iOS as well, but that's something I'll have to look into. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, post comments what you think, what you want to see, and I'll be back again. See you later.